All windows need cleaning every so often, and Velux are no exception. But if, like ours, they're at the top of your house, that can appear daunting. But in fact, it's easy to clean the outsides from inside, and in this video I'll show you how. Now we've got the motorised versions, which require an extra stage, but cleaning manual ones is much the same, and even easier. Now this is very much part of the Velux design, and generally well known, but I will be covering a few specifics, which hopefully you'll find useful, particularly if you're new to the motorised ones. First of all, we need to open them as wide as they will go, but that motor chain is obviously stopping them going any further. So we just need to reach in and unclip it by releasing this grey plastic catch. Now we can flip the entire pane over, giving us easy access to the outside surface. There's a handy bolt on the front of the frame, which goes into a hole on the side frame and prevents the whole thing swinging straight back over again. Now we're ready for cleaning, and as we're doing this from underneath, I prefer the spray bottle approach rather than the full bucket and sponge, as it's much less messy. And doing it in stages, with clean kitchen paper each time, you can stay pretty dry. If there are some hard to reach places, you can release that bolt again and manually adjust the angle to get it a bit closer. Just a quick word of warning, there are some sharp bits, particularly on the flashing, so do take care. As well as the glazing, the frames get pretty mucky too, particularly if you live in town, so don't forget to give those a quick wipe down too. Then when everything's clean, we can flip the pane back over and reattach the motor chain, feeding the T-shaped end into the plastic clip, and when it's secure, press the button and close the window. And there you have it, the easy way to achieve lovely clean windows for a brighter room and a brighter mood, particularly useful on a grey day like today.